Have you ever wondered how a rotary engine works? The rotary engine is different from the regular piston engines most cars use. Instead of pistons moving up and down, a rotary engine uses a triangular rotor that spins in an oval chamber. As the rotor turns, it creates 3 separate chambers for intake, compression, and combustion, all happening at the same time. First, the rotor passes the intake port and draws in an air-fuel mixture. Next, it compresses the mixture. Then the spark plugs ignite it, causing combustion that pushes the rotor. Finally, the exhaust gases exit through the exhaust port. Rotary engines like the one in your famous Mazda RX-7 are less complex and have fewer moving parts, making them light and compact. However, they can be less fuel efficient, use more oil, and produce more emissions.